folks, so this is a small cupboard. It's a very small space. It's just horrible. The more space you have, the more junk comes in. So anyway, I'm going to organize it. I have an idea what I want. I may have to make my organizing system myself. From Canadian Tire. Very sturdy. And it's really nice. But it's a bit pricey. My idea is to use foam board, paper towel rolls, and contact shelving paper, which also can be used for any creative project. So I'm making a shelf for that little cupboard. The sheet is called Contact. It's adhesive, peel and stick, really magnificent. You can just wipe it off. I have another video and that you can watch and get some ideas, okay? So I've measured what I want, right, to cover this. And this one is already made. So it's going to be the first small tier. Remove this first. So I'm just going to remove the paper. Now the paper, you can save and use it for other things. Really and truly you can. Okay. So I am going to, hopefully I will put it in the right spot. I have to pick this up again, you see, because of the bubbles that it's making. So I'm going to pick it up again. This is the reason why I wanted to peel and stick as I go, because you get to lift it up and fix it as you go. This is what I like to do. I like to do it slowly, like this. You see what I mean about the bubbles? Force it out. It will go out, you see? Yeah, if you just keep doing this. Okay, so I've got the bubbles out. Wonderful, fantabulous. The next side. Make sure all the bubbles are out. You can see a bubble there. I don't know if you can see the bubbles. Just have to press it down. It's pretty good, this contact. I made a boo-boo on this side. I was doing it. So far we have this, okay? Right, we have the corners done. It's not perfect. So I'm gonna fold this under now, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the corners. I'm just gonna cut right at the corner. And the opposite corner, like this. And I'm just gonna fold it, tuck it under. Now the one good thing, like I said, with this is that you can wipe it off. And another corner again, just like this. And like this. And then we just tuck it under. We'll tuck this under first. And then I'm going to tuck in the ends. And I love working with foam board. Just the most wonderful thing for me. So we have a nice little, not perfect, but a nice little first tier shelf. It's like a step. This would be the rise and this would be the run. And the run is 4 inches, okay? Or the depth is 4 inches and the height is 1.5 inches. So now we have this one here. Okay, so you just want to pull like this. You can watch my video. It shows you how to do it, but I'm sure it's pretty self-explanatory. And if you do come across a bubble, like I have one right here, you just get a pin. Oh, here's one. Here, just get a pin and pop it with the pin, just like that. Just put it right inside the bubble, and it'll flatten it out. Here's a big one right here, and it just flattens it out. I'm trying to match up this side here. It's one little piece that I have left. This piece here was not covered, so I was lucky enough to find a piece that was lengthwise and would fit onto it. And there we go. Did pretty good. Got some bubbles here. You can sometimes force it out to the outer edge, or you can use the pin. Just going to cut off this end here so that I can fold it back. That one is done, and we need to do this one now. And anyway, this all gives you a chance to give it a good clean. Sometimes we never get into these areas. Okay, so it's dried now, so I am going to put the shelf covering in. I have to get it under this hinge here. Okay, so I have to put it in on an angle. Perfect fit. A little bit lopsided, but pretty good fit. I didn't have enough of the contact sheet to go all the way over, so it ended up here. So I had to join two pieces together, and I had to cover that seam. So I just made a little panel running right up and down the seam to cover it. This is the result. Okay, so I used this small itty bitty scissors to cut out the patterns, which you see here, just for a little bit of something, a little bit of uniqueness. I have space over there that if I have anything else to add, I will do so. But right now, I'm good. This is it. Okay, this is a little cupboard. Everything is kept in its place. I like the fact that it's 3 tiers. You have your lower shelf, you have your middle shelf, and you have your shelf at the back. So when you're looking for something, you can actually see them. And that's the way you should organize your things, is that the shorter ones go at the bottom and the tallest one go at the top. I have this little, it's a circular plastic container, which the thing is, I like to keep little tools in the kitchen, like little small screwdrivers, and things like that, because sometimes you have to do a couple of little small jobs in the kitchen, and it is very easy. It is very nice to be able to access these things easily without having to run into your garage to get a tool or something, or in the basement. So I keep small tools like this in the kitchen. I keep a wrench in my kitchen in this cupboard. I always keep a wrench in my kitchen because it is great for opening up and removing smaller bottle caps. The mouth of the wrench can fit onto and tighten onto a smaller bottle cap and help you to remove it. So that's why I always keep a wrench in the kitchen. I use it a lot. Go back to this. I use this, and then what I do is I actually poke a hole in it, and I just stick the different tools in it. I just used a container. I just had a container, and it worked perfect because you can just stick it in and take it out when you want to. See? And it just, that's it. It so happens that I have a little spill here. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to wipe it up. I have some cornstarch or some flour or something here. You can just wipe it off. The thing about it is that they don't always produce the things that will suit your fancy. Sometimes you just can't find what you need or want because they just don't make it. They just don't make it. So you have to make it yourself. I like unique things, so I figure out ways to make it myself. Stick it in a different one, right beside it. I don't know where I got all those straws from, but I'm not going to throw them out. And last but not least, everybody, our incense stands. Perfect fit. I will let you know how it stands the test of time.